Sit nice and tall on your heels. Keep your back straight and smile. Feel calm, strong, and ready. Stretch one leg out like a gate. Reach your arm over the sky. Feel your side getting longer. Bring your feet together. Flap your knees like butterfly wings. Fly with joy and happiness. Hold one leg in like a pigeon. Sit tall and breathe slowly. Open your hips and relax. Sit like a magical mermaid. Lift your chest nice and high. Sparkle with confidence. Stand on your knees, nice and tall. Gently lift your chest to the sky. Shine bright like a proud camel. Stretch your arms far ahead. Rest your forehead down gently. Breathe deeply and feel peaceful. Squat down nice and low. Keep your feet strong on the ground. Grow powerful like a little gardener. Sit in your invisible chair. Reach your hands up high. Strong legs, strong mind. Stretch your legs nice and wide. Reach one hand toward your feet. Shine like a big triangle. Balance on one strong leg. Stretch your body like an aeroplane. Stay steady like a brave warrior. your head and chest. Let your tummy relax. Move, feel happy and open. Round your back like a cat. Tuck your chin in gently. Meow. Stretch your spine. Press your hands into the mat. Lift your chest like a cobra. Feel brave and full of energy. Hug your knees close to your tummy. Take a slow, deep breath and stay there for a while. Relax your feet, your hands, and your face. Take one big, gentle breath in and out. You did an amazing job today, little yogis.